Good afternoon, it's your teacher Bill with a video. How much fun is that? I wanted to make a video to show you folks how to install the software that you're going to need for the class this semester. I am assuming that most of you have a personal computer, be it a Mac and you're running OS X or a Windows-based machine. As you can see here, I'm working on an Apple, but the installation process on a Windows machine is going to be almost identical, and I don't think you'll have any trouble figuring it out. You're going to get an email shortly, and you're going to see right over here in the syllabus I've changed something. Originally I had a different link for how to install the software, and then I say up here it's updated on January 6th, that's today, Saturday. New directions for installing the software. And if you scroll down a little bit, it says you must, in this order, make 2 software installations. So the first one is called the Java Software Development Kit, the SDK, and I give you a link for it here. And the second one is the BlueJ IDE, the Integrated Development Environment. The link for that is here. And by the way, there will be yet a third link over here, and that third link will actually be to the video that we're watching right now. But this is pretty simple. I'm going to go ahead and install the 2 pieces of software, and again, I follow the directions I gave myself. I'm going to do it in order. So first I come over here to the Java SDK, and I'm going to click here. And it takes me over to this page over here. And my goodness, there's a lot to read here. And I always get worried when there's lots of stuff to read. But I look right up here at the top and I see Java. And it says Java Platform JDK9. I'm looking right over here. I hope you can see it. I'm going to come over here and I'm going to click on this button. And now there's even more to read. And I get very worried again. But all it's asking me to do is come down to here and accept the license agreement. And I'm going to click on it right there. And now what I have to do is I just have to find the appropriate file to download. I'm working on a Mac, so here's Mac OS X. Maybe some of you are working on Linux machines. Maybe some of you are working on a Windows machine. But whichever one it is, you just come over to the appropriate link. And again, I'm going to go right over here. And I'm just going to click on it. And you can see right over here, I'm getting a message here that it's going to download, and I say save file, and I come up here in the browser to the download thing here because I want to see the progress, and we can see up here that it's downloading, and we'll just give it a minute. "382 megabytes. I've got a pretty good connection here at home, so it's going fairly quickly. "15 seconds, 10 seconds, 8, a few seconds left. And there we go. It is now downloaded. And I'm just going to come over here and I'll click on that. And now it is opening up. And notice I've got this window right over here. And it says double click on the icon to install. So I'm going to double click. And here's the installer. And I hit continue. And I hit install. And it wants my password for installing here. And I hope I remember the password. And that's it. First piece of software done. That wasn't so bad, was it? I'm going to go back. I go back. Okay, here I am. I've taken care of number 1. Now I'm going to take care of number 2, the BlueJ IDE. I'm going to come over here. I'm going to click on here and look at this, and it says download and install. And here's Windows, Mac OS X. If you're a Linux user, okay, So I'm going to come over here and I click on this and I'm going to click OK. And I can see up here that download is going on. I will click on that. This seems to be going pretty fast. Ten seconds. 7, 6, 5. Okay, and look at that. There it is. So this is the actual application right up here, the BlueJ app. And what I would probably do if I'm working on an Apple is I would drag this over and put it into my applications directory. And now it's in my applications directory. And if I wanted to, I might even come over here and drag the BlueJ down here. Doesn't want to go. I'll try that one more time. I'm not sure what I'm doing incorrectly here. There. And you can see he's down in my toolbar down here. So now all I need to do is just click on him and I can start writing a program. So that's it for installing the pieces of software. Time for me to go get a cup of coffee and then we'll come back and we'll write our first program.